In front of me is DOOGEE T20, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Firstly, just open Settings and scroll down to access Security. Now scroll down again and tap on Screen Lock. Following that, select the best login method for you: pattern, PIN or password. Then you need to create it and choose Next at the bottom right corner. Repeat it in order to confirm it and tap on Confirm. Lastly, answer this question by tapping on the best option for you. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? I don't want any, so I will go with Don't show notifications at all and click on Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!